Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Do you remember me? Yes? Okay, I also remember you. This is grade 1. Wow, that's great. This is Alia. This is Neha and Amir, right? I remember you. See, do you remember me? What's my name? Yes, very good. My name is Shaista. Correct. Do you remember what we've done yesterday? Can anybody tell me what we have done? Yes, Amir? Correct. Yes, we have done the about using your correct using your senses. Now, what are senses? You know that? Can you tell me? We have five senses. Correct. And what are they? Sense of hearing, very good. Sense of sight, that is seeing, very good. Sense of smell, very good. Sense of touch, great. And the last one is sense of taste. Wow, I'm so happy that you all know what we have done in the class. Great job. Now today, what we are going to do is we are going to learn something about capital letters. Have you ever seen capital letters? Do you remember in your KG class what you have done? Yes? Good job. Now, I'll be showing you a video and then you are going to see that video with your eyes, listen to it with your ears very, very carefully. Alright? And then I'll ask questions about the video. Do you understand? Good job. Okay. Now, let me start. Can you all see this? Okay. Alright. So you all know now. Till G you have done. Which one is the first letter? A, correct. Okay. You can see here. It's written here. All the alphabets are written. This alphabet is, yes. Now you can see here my board, my small tiny board. Yes. Now there is letter A, correct. This is A, B, very good. C, D, E, F, G, very good. H, very good. I, J, correct. K, correct. L, correct. M, correct. N, O, P, Q, correct. R, correct, S, T, U, V, correct, W, correct, X, correct, Y, and Z. Wow, well done. Very good. Good job. Very nice. I'm very, very happy for my class. Great. Now, so these are all the what type of letters? Capital letters. These are different alphabets, right? Now, can you quickly write down this in your books and show it to me? Yes? Wow, good job. Very nice. Now, I'm giving you 5 minutes to quickly write it down and show it to me. All right? Okay. Start your work. But remember what you have to do. Remember what I told you yesterday. What did I tell you? Yes, you have to follow your teacher's instructions, correct? And what else? Remember. Good job. Wow, I'm so happy. You have to follow the rules. And what is the first rule? Good. Switch on your cameras. Which one is the second? Raise your hand. Well done, Amir. And the third one? Follow your teacher's instructions. And who's your teacher here? I am your teacher, Miss Shaista. Good. So you have to follow me. So now as I say that you have to do this work in 5 minutes. That means you have 5 minutes. So you have to do your work quickly because then you have to show me your work. Okay? Just write down the capital letters. Now your time starts now. 1, 2, 3. Start writing. I hope you have your notebooks with you. Yes? Good. Alright. Now, your work is done in 5 minutes. Well done, class. Till whichever letter you have written, no problem. I just want to see whether you have written it correctly or not. Now, show me your books like that so that I can see. Wow. Oh, great, Neha. Well done. Yes, Amir. Wow, very good. You have written all the letters. Well done. And yes, Alia, great. Now, see, you have written most of the letters, right? Now, if you count them, they are 26 alphabets. How many? 26 alphabets are there. Now, and these were the capital letters, right? Now, do you know we have any other letters? Only capital letters are written in English. Small letters are also written. Very good, Alia. Good job. I'm very happy for you, Alia. Okay. There are small letters also. Once you write capital letter and then you can write small letter as well. Now, do you write all the time capital letters? No, you don't. When you are writing, you write small letters, right? But when do you write capital letters? Is there any other way or any special things that you write capital letters for? Yes? Yes, Amin? Correct. You write your name. You start your name with capital letter. Good. Very good, Amir. You start your name with your capital letter. There are all the naming words are written with capital letters. Correct. Very good. And when do you write? There is a special way. You see, when you are writing your name, like suppose if I write down, if I write my name is Shaista. Now see, I have written my name is Shaista. Where have I written capital letter? Where have I used capital letter? In the Starting. Okay. Yes, my name is also written with capital letter C. S is written, and I have also started my sentence with capital letter. Whenever you start a sentence, you start with capital letter, and if there any special name, you write that name also. We will be doing this later on in detail. Okay. When there is a name, you write that name with capital letter, start that name with capital letter, and whenever you are starting a sentence, you write that sentence starting with a capital letter. Always remember, this is the first rule in English. Whenever you are writing a sentence, start the sentence with capital letter. Okay? And what is this letter, children? What is the last letter here? I. I means what? I. It is representing I, like I am using I for my name. If you are saying something, you will say, I am doing this, I want that. But I, remember this in your mind that I is always written with capital letter. All right? You always write I with capital letters. Do you understand now? Yes? So these were the capital letters and when to use the capital letters. Now, okay, I'll also show you one more thing. What type of letters are these? Are they capital? Are these letters capital? No, they are not capital. So what do you call them? Great, Alia. They are the small letters. Yes, small letters. Can you show me any of the small letter? Write it in the notebook and show it to me. Yes, very good, Neha. You have written this is A. Good. Amir, what you have written? Great. You have written D. Well done. So these are the small letters, right? With capital letter and with small letter. Now you have written capital letters in your books. Okay. In the same way, I want very quickly, less than 5 minutes, like I'm giving you 4 minutes, to write as the small letters. If you can write all the 26 small letters, that's very good. But just write down the small letters in this 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, start. You have written? Well done. Now show it to me. Yes, Amir, you have written all the 26 letters. Very good. Excellent. Yes, Neha has also written this time. Well done. Alia is completing. Now the time is up, Alia. Show me your work. This is time for teacher to see your work. Come on, show it to me. Wow, very good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for your class. I'm very, very happy. Very good. Excellent. Now see, these were the capital letters and small letters, right? Now, you have written capital letters also in your notebook. You have written small letters also in your notebook. Now, I'm just explaining you this thing that you at your home complete all this work, write down all the capital letters in your notebook and write down all the small letters also. All right, so that I will see that work. I'll post this on your portal as well so that you know that you have to do this work. This is your homework and classwork you have also written. Okay, good. Now let's do the recapping and wrapping this lesson. So what have you learned today in the class? Wow, well done. You have learned about the capital letters and the small letters. When do we use capital letter, class? Can I write down the sentence without capital letter? No. Very good. I have to start the sentence with capital letter. Great. And where else I'll write? Yes, Amir? Whenever there is a special name or important name, you write that in your sentence with capital letter. Correct. Now I will show you some letters and you are going to tell me which letter is this. Is it a small or a capital letter? Which letter is this? Great. M. Is this capital or small? Capital. Very good. Now, which letter is this? Very good. This is small or capital? Again, it's capital. Excellent. Okay. Now, which letter is this? Great. It's an E. Is it small or capital? Very good. It's small E. Great job. Now, this. Which letter is this? It's a T. Is it capital or small? It's small t. Wow, my class is so good. I'm so excited and happy for you all. This is happy face and smiling face for all of you. Great job. Good children. I'm so happy. Now, remember these things which I have explained you in class so that next time you will not have any problem. We will do this capital letters and small punctuation in detail, okay, in our next classes. This was only the starting so that I know that whether you people know how to write capital letters and small letters. Okay, now see you in the next class, children. Bye. Bye bye. Have a nice day.